Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable noise cancellation on your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that the microphone is connected. So there we go, the microphone is now connected, the lights aren't flashing on the channel and on the microphone. And now to enable noise cancellation, you just press the yellow button once, and as you can see, noise cancellation gets enabled. And if you want to disable it again, you press the button again, and as you can see by the toggle in the app and by the color of our light on the microphone, you can see that it has been disabled. So green means that noise cancellation is enabled, and blue means that noise cancellation is disabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.